Okay, let us start with the concept of art integration with mathematics. So how art can be integrated with mathematics? Let us take a small example. Now I am going to do a flower with respect to mathematics. That is, you know very well a chapter called as Arithmetic Progression, which is AP, and in AP you got a sum in last exercise, that is 5.3 May 18th sum. So it resembles something called a spiral, right? Now let us look into it and how to do. Now I have a paper, colored paper, you can use any of the papers, right? I am drawing something. Let's take this as a reference line, right? And I will be taking 1 centimeter, say. We'll be making a square root spiral with related to this, right? Let's make a spiral. Let's make a spiral using this. Right. I think you figured out what is the sum, right? Which is in AP. Okay. Let's do this spiral full so that, okay, first let me take a circle. Right, and afterwards I'll join the spiral to that circle. Maybe this one, I think, which holds to this. One more. Okay, we will end it here, right? Or else if you want one more, we'll join this to this. I think one more we can do, which joins the circle. Right here it joins. Fine. Now what I'll do is I'll cut this. Watch. I'll cut this spiral. Right. So before going to that, let me cut this. I'm just cutting the circle so that becomes easy for me to make the spiral, right? So this is my circle. Fine. Now what I'll do is I'll directly do something with this. See, this is spiral. Now what I'll do is I'll cut this spiral. You can see this. I got something which is called as zigzag knife. You can use any design to cut it. You can use semicircles inside it, triangles inside it, and see to it that it is even, that's all, right? Now what I'm going to do is just cutting the inner rings in such a way that it runs around the spiral, right? Nothing new I am doing, just cutting it in the shape of circles, that is spirals with different radii, right? This is one of the sum. I think you have already done this sum in class, right? So this is basically to show the application of AP, right? See how it is running through the semicircular paths with different radii. See, radii keeps on increasing, as you can see. As you can see, this radii, this is 1 centimeter I have taken from here to here, from here to here, and it keeps on increasing in a uniform way, right? So when you do this sum theoretically, you will just do theoretically and forget, and the application of it, you don't know how to apply and how does it helps in real-time situations and so on, right? Now here is what we have done it. Fine. See, now I have made it circular things. Now for this design, this to come out, I'll cut this, right? So this is your general thing. Now what we will do is we will roll it, right? So when you roll it, what happens we will see. See, when I am rolling it, see, I am rolling it inner side like this, or you can roll it in a different way also, like this. Keep on rolling it. Just I am making it as a sample, you can roll it anyways. Just hold it. I have done the samples for it. I'll show you. Right, it will be looking like this, a flower, right? So one kind of things I'll show you. See, this is also is made into a flower, right? And one more I'll show you. Yeah, you can see this, right? So these are all samples which are made. So this is an application of AP. You can integrate with art, right? So this is one kind. Fine. Same, this is now we have done it, right? So it will be looking like this, a flower kind. When you stick this and do some beautification for it, it looks exactly like a flower, right? See this. And this as such you can see it's made earlier already, right? So by this you can see max is everywhere, right? You can do anything when you know some basic max. Fine. Thank you.